If you've forgotten your HBO Max password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the HBO Max website. Open your web browser and navigate to the official HBO Max website. Make sure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Click on Sign In. On the homepage, locate the Sign In button, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, you will see an option that says Forgot Password. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. Step 4. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your HBO Max account. Fill in the required field and submit the form. Step 5. Check your email for reset instructions. Check your email inbox for a message from HBO Max. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Make sure to create a strong, new password that you can remember. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your HBO Max account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to HBO Max customer support for further assistance.